Everyone, I'm Nidhi Gani, a digital health and cybersecurity professional. I'm also a professor of regulatory affairs at Northeastern University, Boston, US, and I'm here as your career advisor. One of my students asked me to make a video on what are those different careers out there that will let you travel the world. And I think after the success of the movie Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, the travel bug has bitten all of us. There are many different flavors to traveling, and there are careers who get to travel on a day-to-day basis or a week-to-week basis, and those are consultants, pilots, air hostesses, and probably sales as well. They get to live a very lavish lifestyle and get to travel a lot, but I guess the downside to that is you have a pretty messed up work-life balance. And then there comes career options which take you to different places for work, and that could be being a diplomat, where you get to meet people from many different cultures, enjoy many different food flavors, and work with different diplomats of different countries. Then comes researchers, where if you are working in, say, the soil industry or water conservation, you are interested in identifying different species of the birds and also looking at animal and human conflict. You get to travel and be and live with a lot of animals and see a lot of natural landscapes. The other one could be being a chef. You will get to work on cruises or be part of exchange programs of huge restaurant chains. Then you could also be an architect or an urban designer if you're looking to research different cultures, sports persons. Also, if you're working in the performing arts industry, you get to travel a lot for work. Apart from that, 9 to 5 jobs are getting obsolete. So you can be a digital nomad and get to choose where you work from and how many hours you work from. Such people are also graphic designers, video editors, content creators, regulatory affairs professionals, computer science engineers, or coders who don't really have restrictions as to if they have to go to office for work or not, so they can get to work from anywhere. Apart from that, I think there are people who have a pretty good work-life balance, who probably work 9 to 5 and get to take good vacations per year, maybe like 2-3 vacations, I would say, and they also explore a lot of the world and get to enjoy different flavors of the world. So I would not really think about what is the career that will let me travel, because when I myself was traveling in Latin America, I met a lot of backpackers who were working in cafes as tour guides, in hostels, and as language trainers as well, teaching English and other languages to children. So they were also, getting to see a lot of world. So I would not really restrict myself as to, what is it that I should choose if I can travel the world. I would more think about what subject do I really want to study and what expertise I want to build in, and then think about, okay, how can I use this expertise and knowledge to travel around the world. Today, travel has become very easy and the world is very small. So if humans were meant to not travel, then we would have roots instead of feet. So let's not restrict ourselves and dream to fly high.